This man is the founder of the Hare Krishna movement. He calls himself His Divine Grace. Isn't that nice? I always have trouble with his name. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Whatever. And there are some of his temples. You can go in there. There he sits enshrined in every temple in the world. And these poor Hare Krishna kids run around with their shaven heads and their music and their flowers and worship this little godman over here. And in all their paintings, you'll find 12 around one, 12 around one. Here you have 12 vestal virgins around the one. Satan wants to copy Jesus in everything, doesn't he? Jesus had 12 disciples around one. There were 12 tribes of Israel around Yahweh. Satan is just a lousy copy of the original, and he'll never get any better than being a lousy copy. Well, if you want to become a Hare Krishna, you have to be poor. Unless you're George Harrison or one of the Beatles or one of that, then you can be rich.